आपण जवळजवळ 5 एकर क्षेत्रामध्ये फ्लावरची लागवड करतोय. पहिला मंचर येथे आपण माल नेत होतो विक्री करण्यासाठी, परंतु काय झालं, विक्री करत असताना मंचरला बाजारभाव हा आम्हाला शेतकऱ्याला कळत नव्हता पूर्णतः. त्याच्यानंतर आता साधारणतः 1.5 ते 2 वर्ष झाले इथं फार्मपाल ही कंपनीची स्थापना झाली मंचर या ठिकाणी. आपण जर आता माल टाकला त्यांना गड्ड्यानुसार चांगली क्वालिटी, तर बाजार समितीपेक्षा आपल्याला 2-4 रुपये त्यांच्याकडून जास्त बाजारभाव भेटतो. आणि ते भेटून सुद्धा आहे ना, त्यांची पैसे आहेत ना आपल्या अकाउंटवर लगेच जमा होतात 2 ते 3 दिवसानंतर. त्याच्यामुळे ना काय टेन्शन नाही.
Indian agriculture industry is going through a very tough time, and especially into the post-harvesting supply chain. Farmers are getting only 30 to 40 rupees for every 100 rupees spent by the consumer. Middlemen, it also gets wasted because of inefficient handling. So consumer is not getting the fresh produce, and also the quality is not good and it's not hygienic. When you have such a massive and complex problem to solve in Indian agriculture industry, I think the best solution is using technology very effectively. So basically supply and demand both are coming on the mobile app, and then in between we have got the very sophisticated ERP technology which is helping us to do match that supply and demand and do the complete end-to-end transaction. To reduce that wastage from 20 to 30% to below 5%, where we are using the artificial intelligence and machine learning platform which helps us to predict demand for all the 55 to 60 articles we are delivering to our customer 1 week before at 95% accuracy. Basically we want to bring technology to the farmers. They can see very clear that what price offered by us and the price offered by the market, and they come to our collection center and supply it to us.
And we ensure that the customers are getting the supply that they need or the quality that they need, which is also ensured at different levels, at the collection center, fulfillment center, and then at the distribution center before they are delivered to our customers. These goods, once they arrive at the distribution center, go through the final rounds of packaging, sorting, cleaning before they are distributed to the customers. Farmpal's biggest differentiator, if I may say so, today with the rest of the competition or in this market has been our quality. Our retention rates, our return rates, which we measure very closely, are very good. Farmpal's farm to store time window today is about 15 hours. That is, the customers, when they receive their produce, this has been harvested at the farmer's side in a 15 hours prior. We are continuously working towards bringing this cycle down to a 12-hour window.
जो हमारा मार्केट का जो डेली भागना रहता है उससे हमको राहत है। रात को ऑर्डर करते हैं, 10 बजे सुबह 6 बजे माल आता है। उनकी सर्विस भी बहुत अच्छी है, क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है। फार्मपाल का ऐप है, उसमें हम रात को लोड करते हैं क्या क्या चाहिए, कितना कितना चाहिए, उनको मैसेज आता है, रात को सुबह 6 बजे हमको माल मिल जाता है।
Farmpal was started with 3 basic values, and that we call it the culture: empowering farmers, transparency, and accountability. And I am trying to percolate that culture, that values within every employee of the Farmpal and every partner who is working with us, whether it's farmers, whether it's our customer or our logistic partners.